In the morning when I wake and the sun is coming through, oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness and you fill my head with.
It's moving day. Chapter 2, episode 1 starts today.
Delicate stuff? Yeah. I'm going to put it on the table.
Like new experience ever, but it's just so hard, bro.
I know, it's fine.
I run that class and it's like, what are you gonna do without Tamara here? I'm like, bro, you're gonna make me cry right now because I don't know what I'm gonna do without her.
Stop!
Everyone last night was asking how you were.
Aww.
Like all the guys that were in the house were like, how's Tamara? You still talk to her? They're like, is she gonna come visit at all?
Yum yum.
We passed the 3-hour threshold.
Yes, woohoo!
When I saw you walking down that hill, head high and shoulders back, watching you was such a thrill. All that I could do was laugh. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back.
Just putting things here for now.
Ooh, this is such a good windowsill.
Which one has your bedding?
Here. Comforter outside. This is pillow cover. Loads.
Well, why don't you let Papi start putting the shower curtain up? Make it useful.
Wait, comforter. This is the comforter, so.
Here.
Everybody make sure their hands are clean.
Yes.
I dipped them in mud before we got here.
That's a monstrosity. Hi guys, first day, first night. Last night I slept in my apartment. It feels so cozy. Obviously things are far from being organized and unpacked. I still have jumbles over there to deal with, but today's Friday and it's about to be 10 and my parents are on the way to get me from their hotel We have a bunch of stuff to get done. I need to, first and foremost, find a place to park my car because my apartment building parking is all filled up. So we're gonna figure that out. Then we're gonna buy all the last minute organization stuff I need left. And then we're gonna grocery shop. I have 3 roommates now. The apartment is filled up. They're all super nice. We were hanging out last night all together. And yeah, I'm just feeling really good. I will give you guys an in-depth apartment and room tour once everything is organized and settled. So either later today or another day this week, but I'm very happy to be here and to get this new year and my time in this new place started. Anyways, yeah, also it's my parents' anniversary today and I feel so bad because they're here. So shout out to them, 27 years.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that.
So today is Sunday and it is the first official day that I am moved in and my parents are gone. They left yesterday. I know I haven't been the best at like walking you guys through the whole move-in process, but honestly it's been very hectic and I knew I'd be giving you guys a tour, so I didn't want to overwhelm myself, but that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm so excited to finally be settled. And this morning I went on a little stroll to Dunkin'. It was my first time venturing out on my own, but things have been really good, slowly picking up. Classes at UF start on Wednesday, so a lot of people aren't even back on campus yet. My friends from home aren't here yet, so it's been a little bit slower and I haven't really done much yet, but I'm glad I've been able to start walking around campus. And last night one of my roommates and I, what am I doing? And I've been hanging out with one of my roommates a lot. Last night her and I went to dinner and we got to meet up with some of her friends. She's actually also a sophomore transfer, so it's cool that we have each other on that aspect. Today I thought I'd finally give you guys a little apartment and room tour. For the most part, everything's pretty much organized. Obviously nothing's perfectly done, but I'm happy with the way it's looking and it feels really homey to me. I'm just excited for the school year to officially start and for things to pick up. I'm really excited to go meet new people and do all of that. But for now, I'm just gonna finish organizing myself and prepping for classes to start and everything. But without further ado, let me show you guys the apartment and my room and everything, and I hope you guys enjoy. So when you first walk in, I'm gonna give you guys a little rundown. So this is the main entrance, and for being so honest, I don't even know what's in here. All right. This is the front door. That's garbage. This is one of my roommate's rooms. When you move towards the right over here, we have the fridge and cabinet space, and this takes us towards the kitchen and living room area. The apartment itself is not that big, but I think it's the perfect like size for everything. And then on the left side is another roommate's room. And so then we have the garbage and this little island, which I think is so cute. And it's like a pretty countertop. It's all pretty self-explanatory. Obviously 4-person apartment. Everything's here. Kitchen space. We kind of just all put snacks in the spaces. Also so cute. One of my roommates brought us this whole box of like candies. So, and then these are the kitchen chairs. And then right next to this, the couch, the living space. We haven't set up any decorations, which I'm hoping we will do soon because it looks a little bland. The couch is cute. We have this little UGG thing. This is the laundry, which I've yet to do, but need to get on that. Also, how cute. One of my roommates got us all our custom little mugs. And yeah, then here is our coffee table, some Vogue magazines, the TV, which we have yet to turn on. As you can see, it's like pretty undecorated, so we're gonna have to do that, but this is just an overall reference of the space. Then that is my other roommate's room. Then I'm obsessed with how much light the apartment gets because you know I love my light, but we have a direct view to our neighbors, which is a group of girls. We always see them having like dinner together. It's cute. I just love how much light the apartment gets. I need to show you guys where our front door is because it's really cool. Also, the apartment has a really cool gym, sauna, and rooftop pool. So catch me using those amenities for sure. This is my room. Come on in. Let me close and open. Okay. So, direct view when you first walk in. Here she is. So all of the rooms have one wall painted blue, and mine happened to be the main wall, which is fine because luckily, as we can see, I ended up doing beach theme. So it worked out well. But so this is the view of the door when you first walk in. I'm gonna shut it just so you guys can see. So on my door, my dad put up 2 little hooks, which this will be my class bag. Obviously you guys know I used that last year. Even though I don't have in-person classes, I'm gonna be at the library doing work, not in my apartment. So that's the bag I'm gonna be using. And this is my everyday purse, which I have my apartment fob and keys on here. What I love most about the apartment and my room is the fact that there's a built-in fan in the ceiling. I love sleeping in ice cold rooms. So good. And then the light. Here's my desk. I did move around. The bed was like facing there and I didn't like the fact it was covering the window, so I moved it. This is my desk space. Underneath is not as organized. This bag I still have yet to undo, but it's a bunch of random stuff, so I'm not that worried right now. And so here we go. To organize a bunch of my stuff, I have this little spinny thing, which once again my dad made. Shout out to my dad for doing everything for me. It's great. And then I have this mirror. This is what I used last year in my dorm. This is what I have at home, but I got a mini version since I have so much mirror space, which I'll get into, but this is on my Amazon storefront. It's my favorite mirror. And then another little spinny organizer thing. This is so perfect. Then here I just have all of my perfumes and scents laid out. And then my lighter, my iPad, and cute coffee magazine book that I got in Italy. Not to go in depth in my drawers, but this is just like school stuff, my glasses and whatever. So there's that. And then moving over here, I just put a little trash can. Once again, my view is of my beloved neighbors. And this is cute. It's a little windowsill. Oh. So for now, I just have my jewelry back here. I have a picture frame, which I have yet to put a picture in. So for now, I'm covering it with this cute little note that my mom gave me to open on my 20th birthday, since that's coming up and I won't be with her. And then I have some books. Have I read them? No, I have not. But I thought bringing them would motivate me to read. There's that. Then moving on to this little side of my room, I brought my mini fridge from home, and on top, you guys know if you watched my last video, I got these decorations and I think it ties the room so nicely. I'm really glad I got them. This candle smells so good. I've been lighting it already, obviously. Inside, I don't have too much. I have a stash of water, fruit, some juices back there, and then the apartment gave that when we came in. Very nice. And then under my bed, not like that's very important, but I have some knee-high boots, my suitcases, and then 2 forms of organization right here. Obviously to the right of that is my bed. This is a full-size bed, which is actually bigger than I thought. I didn't really know what a full-size bed was until I got here. So it's bigger than I expected, which I'm really happy about. I ended up printing this picture out, and I got this frame at Michael's. Where's this from? This is from my bed at home. I just brought it. Amazon. This rug was in my dorm last year, and I still love it, so I brought it. And then I ended up getting the pillow that I mentioned last video. I brought this from home, my elephant. And then I bought the same pillows that I have at my bed at home, but for my bed here. And there's that. There's really not much to it. The room is pretty small. It does the trick. And for now, I think I'm just gonna leave that wall empty because I don't wanna be doing too much. Also, I ended up not finding a frame that fits this, so I just put it up as a poster, but I think it's fine. When you move onto this side, that leads to the bathroom. This is what I'm so happy and excited about because I was contemplating bringing my mirror from my room at home. Thank goodness my dad told me not to, because look how much mirror space we have. And inside obviously is my closet, which I organized to the best of my ability. We have my shoes down here, some extra hangers, some organization. I have some sweaters, sweatshirts, dresses. Like, why did I bring this? Where do I think I'm wearing this to? Anyways, this side, the other side, we bought this organization. There's my laundry basket, sweatpants, my extra towels, and yeah. Under my bed here, it actually came with some storage, which is so useful. Pajama stuff, already not organized. I honestly think the space is the perfect size. No complaints, I'm really happy with it. And then, let's kick it to the bathroom. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure the bathroom is bigger than my room. It's massive. Alright guys, so that is going to conclude the apartment and room tour. Hopefully that gives you guys a feel for my living conditions. I just have really high hopes for everything yet to come. This is such an exciting new beginning for me, and I'm just feeling really good about it. So I'm excited to start taking you guys along with it, and obviously you guys will see more of where I'm living as I take you guys along my weeks. I'm planning on starting my first like full week vlog here tomorrow, so I'm gonna end the video here. There's really not much else I have to say. I'm wishing you all the best of luck. Whatever school year you're starting, whether you're in school or not, whatever you're about to start, I just wish you all the best and hope you all are feeling good about it and remain positive about whatever situation you're in. Just remember that your lowest points make you stronger. But yeah, if you're new, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you here, and I'm super excited to take you guys along everything. Yeah, I will see you guys so soon.